the pack. Yeah, body to body, they call us the pack. Body to body, square up and attack. Body to body, these monsters around me. If we do not die, I'll be happy with that. Hundreds of creepers are right in my face. How in the world did they get in this place? How in the world are we handling this? Lucky for me, I brought plenty of steak. I got your back and I hope you got mine. We've been in this spot too many times. We've been to the top, killed them all and took everything from like hundreds of miles. Back to back, we slay everybody. All this time and they never got me. All this time I've been one of the best. If you don't think so, just sit back and watch me.
We're talking zombies. We gotta kill them all, so get behind me. Swear it won't take us long if we do this right. I'll save your life, on and on and on. Now if we're talking zombies, we gotta kill them all, so get behind me. Swear it won't take us long if we do this right. I'll save your life, on and on and on.
Yeah, half of them gone, got half to go. Killing more now than I have before. Back of the pack, all dressed in black, with a kill streak you couldn't imagine, no. I got the left side and you got the right. Good thing that this didn't happen tonight. Good thing that I got my boys by my side. If they weren't here, then I wouldn't survive. Simple as that, I'ma stick with the team. The number of kills that we have is extreme. We go around and around and we fight, slaying them all through the day and the night. Back up to find there's a monster behind me, a zombie, but not only that, in a slime, but a